What's up, 49ers? I'm Andrew Baker, class of 2015. I want to share with you my favorite dish right now. It's called the Charlotte 49ers Bahamas Pasta Bowl.
Hi, I'm Kristen Coffey.
Hi everyone, my name is Rachel Forrester. This is the Niner on a Dime Yogurt Parfait.
Hello, Niner Nation. Rodney Graves here. The purpose of this event is to raise awareness and hopefully also raise funds for the Jamil Niner Student Food Pantry.
Hi everyone, my name is Talia Sampson and I serve as the student body president.
Hey guys, my name is Ryan Bulwer. I am a cheerleader here at Charlotte.
The name of our dish is Niner Noodles.
What's up, Niner Nation? What up? You got Sam here. I'm CJ. We're the Whites and we're chefing it up. This ain't your mama's stuffed bell peppers.